Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to do an interesting chapter. All of us like drawing. So today we'll learn how to draw on computers. So we'll start with a new chapter, chapter 6, painting time. So let's begin with MS Paint. Starting MS Paint. Parts of Paint window. Uses of tools and shapes. Pencil tool, eraser tool, line tool, rectangle tool, fill with color tool, polygon tool, magnifier tool, text tool, saving the drawing. Let's just start the chapter.
Kitty, few days earlier, I painted something in Paint program. Let's redraw it. Nikki, can we work on the same file again? Yes, of course. Let's do it. MS Paint. We know that we can do painting on the computer. We don't need to carry lots of things such as pencils, colors, sheets, etc. with us while painting in Paint program. Paint is a program that helps us to draw and color pictures on a computer. Starting MS Paint. To start MS Paint, click the Start button. The Start menu will appear. A list of all the applications appears on the left of the Start menu. Click on Windows Accessories. Now, click on Paint. The Paint program will appear in front of us. Parts of Paint window. Ribbon. Menu bar. Title bar. Quick Access toolbar. Drawing area. Uses of tools and shapes. Pencil tool. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Pencil tool. Click on the Size box. Select the width of line. Now, drag the mouse and start drawing. Eraser tool. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Eraser tool. Now, drag the eraser on the unwanted part of picture. Eraser tool starts to erase that part. Line tool. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Line tool. Click on the Size box. Select the width of line. Drag the mouse to draw line in any direction. Rectangle tool. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Rectangle tool. Click on the Size box. Select the width of line. Drag the mouse to make rectangle. Fill with Color tool. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Fill with Color tool. Click on the Color 1 box. Click on any color from Color palette. Click on the area where you want to color. Polygon tool. Click on the Polygon tool. Select the color and thickness of the line. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Click and drag to draw a line. Then, release the mouse button. Magnifier tool. Select the Magnifier tool from the toolbox. Click on the picture in the drawing area. A box will appear on the screen. By clicking on it, we can increase the picture size. If we want to get back the picture in its original size, we should right-click in the drawing area. Text tool. Click on the Text tool in Tools group. Click on the drawing area. After clicking on the drawing area, a new tab named Text will appear next to the View tab. Choose the font face, size and style in the font group. Click on Color 1 and select a color for the text from the Colors group. Start typing in the text box. The text will appear on the drawing area. Saving the drawing. Click on the File button. Click on the Save As option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Type the file name in the File Name box. Click on the Save button. The drawing gets saved.